Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx, and today we are doing our first impression try-on of the new ColourPop No Filter Foundation and the No Filter Setting Powder. I have mine in translucent, and the color I have here is 55. I also got 45, but this one is a little too light for me, so I will be passing this to someone paler than me. Alright, so if you want to see me get ready and try these for the first time, then just keep watching. We have two colors here. We have number light 55 and light 45. Now I used the like shade finder tool that they have on there, so we'll see how well that worked. And then I have the no filter setting powder that we'll finish up with. So first, let's see which one of these colors matches me the best. And I think what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna do one side with a brush and one with the Beauty Blender. Because I'd probably say I use both of those tools equally, so let's just see what it applies better with. I've seen mixed reviews about which tool people like better. All right, so let's try 45 first. Ooh, oh wow, that's incredibly light. And, oh crap, they're both really light. All right, but we're gonna have to go with this one because it's the deeper of the two. So note to self, get a darker color. All right, so let's go in with 55 and we will use the Beauty Blender first. I'm gonna go through and do a few dots. And here we go. Ooh, this is very light. I mean, it's not, well, no, it's pretty light. Now, it says that it's full coverage, but on first layer, I definitely don't agree with that. It's got a nice finish though. Like, I always get scared when things say matte finish because I don't particularly like matte finish foundations. I think they always just cling and just don't look great on me. So this is a brand I don't mind taking a shot on because worst comes to worst, I didn't waste much money. Oh, crap. I'm supposed to be using a brush over here, so okay. I'd say it's more of a medium coverage. The color's definitely not bad. I guess I was more so focusing on like the darkest part of my face, which is like here, and the lightest, which is here, so okay. So the color's actually okay in real life. It still looks kind of light on camera. All right, so now let's do it with a brush. I'll do the same thing on this side, and we'll use my Artiste brush because that's what I use the most. I wouldn't say full, but this is closer to full than the Beauty Blender left. Actually, no, it's not. They both look the same. I don't really think either side looks, I think this side might look a tad smoother with the brush. I say go use anything that you feel more comfortable with. I think both sides look fine. All right, and yeah, the coverage is nice. It's more of a medium, which is fine. I'm fine with medium. I'm sure you can build it up. Now let's do our concealer, and I'll do my trusty standby. I don't have the no filter concealer anymore. Mine got old and oxidized, but I did love that one. But I did actually hear that it works great with this foundation. So when I order a darker foundation, maybe I'll order another one of those to try out again. And you know what? I wanted to actually ask you guys a question. I'll set my under eye while I ask. So I have the translucent no filter setting powder that we will set my under eye with, and I'll set the rest of my face with it. I get a lot of questions a lot of times like, oh, what do you wear on your under lips? Or, you know, your eyeshadow looks great. Do you want me to start listing what I use in the box below? What I used for my makeup that day? Does that interest you? Let me know in the comments below. If it doesn't, that's fine. If it does, you know, that's fine too. I haven't really wiped it away yet, and you don't get a ton in here, so I mean, I'm not full on baking. I'm really just kind of setting here. It does give you more of a matte, you know, it is a matte finish, but it's definitely not making me look 30 years older, which is always nice. Huh. It's pretty nice, actually. Honestly, my only gripe is I wish this came in more of a, like, larger tub. Other than that, this is very nice. I mean, this will last you a long time if you're just setting under your eyes with it, but, you know, this is really nice also. Like, it looks really nice on the rest of my face. I wish it came in a slightly bigger tub. Like, I'll pay the extra for it. Really, I don't have much bad to say so far. I'm not, like, a huge matte fan of my face. No. I'm not a huge matte fan. I don't like my face looking too matte, and whereas it does look matte, it doesn't look dry matte. Even my under eyes, like, they definitely look matte, but they don't look dry matte. I do see a little bit of it clinging to dry skin here and there. I don't know if that's the powder or the foundation, but neither looks bad. It's promising so far. All right, so I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back and I'm finished my makeup, and aside from the color being slightly lighter than I would like it, I think this is really nice. I think this is actually really nice even for like an everyday makeup look, because I don't feel like I look like I'm wearing a mask. It doesn't feel heavy. It feels quite comfortable. It doesn't feel dry, even though it's a matte foundation. And I'd classify it more as like a satin matte natural kind of finish. I don't really have much anything. I mean, it's ColourPop. They don't really put out shitty stuff. So I mean, that's pretty much what I have to say about that. The setting powder I actually really like. My only thing again is the size. I wish it was a little bit bigger, but because it's so affordable, I mean, who really cares? So I would say yes to both of these things. It's not a big risk. You're not wasting money if you end up not liking it. So yeah, why not? But also, can I actually say, I'm like sick over this eyeshadow. Let's just stop and look at this. I used the, what is it called? The Alamar fucking palette. It's like the Reina del Caribe eyeshadow palette volume 1. I know this isn't what this video is about, but holy shit. If you have this, use it. It's gorgeous. I mean, just this gold right here, like I'm fucking sick over. Like, look at this. It's magic. We got this in our BoxyCharm. I'm sure it's available to buy wherever this is available to buy, but just side note for this ColourPop video, if you were thinking about getting this, get it. It's awesome. And you know what, to be honest, I saw Kathleen Light's video when she talked about this, because it's her friend, and this girl works for BoxyCharm apparently. I was like, oh, Kathleen Lights is just like tooting her friend's horn, like trying to get her like publicity. No, no, no. This is fucking awesome. So, sorry, I'm judgmental. All right guys, so that was it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.